Ever heard someone say break a leg and wondered, why would I do that? Well, today we're breaking down three of the most common idioms. Break a leg. No, this doesn't mean literally hurting yourself. Break a leg actually means good luck, especially in the theater world. Spill the beans. Oops, if you spill the beans, you're revealing a secret. So if your friend's planning a surprise party, don't spill the beans. Piece of cake. When something is super easy, we say it's a piece of cake, like hitting the like button on this video. Which idiom do you use the most? Comment below and don't forget to like. Follow for more fun facts.